Good morning. What's up, everybody? I'm in LA. I've been to LA like twice before. First time that I came, I was 9, and we did a bunch of touristy things, not even really like the main touristy things that you would do. And then the last time I came for spring break my freshman year, we sat on the beach and we went to Disneyland, but we didn't walk around LA, get into the LA vibe. And so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. This week, I'm gonna get into the LA vibe.
Comedian J. Patrick, a long time coming, funny yet inspiring. Don't blink, baby, y'all gonna miss me.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you, you're my one and only, like I told you. I'll be there. And if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me. I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we
Hey you guys, we're back from the beach and we ordered food from this place called 800 Degrees, I believe. And we got 3 different kinds of pizzas and we're starving and we're just gonna go ahead and eat.
got no one to hold, won't you tell me I'll be there? If my mind is reeling from the stress that I'm feeling, I need you. I'll be there.
Good morning! I just woke up. I'm about to go meet up with my brother to go thrift shopping.
What?
After I get back, I'll show you guys what I got. We'll do a little bit of a haul.
No. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dime. Serves you some reminder to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair. Put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth. How they coming for? Oh, my balls! Oh.
I doubt you can see me from this angle. Good morning. I've got kind of a vibey setup here. I'm just editing my video and watching YouTube videos. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm starting to wonder if drinking coffee in the mornings is one of the reasons that I have such issues pooping. I know you guys probably don't want to hear about my poop issues, but it takes me like 3 days. So if anybody has any tips on how to get my bowels moving, then please let me know. So I know that I said we were gonna go thrift shopping the other day, but we're actually going today. this one. I will say I'm living for this black top, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Now this, are you joking? I realized that it was 6:30, which is what time I got tickets for the museum that we're going to, so we left, but don't worry. I got this business casual button up. It's blue, it's from ASOS. I also snagged these pants, which I don't even know if camo is still in style. It probably is not, but usually I'm a couple of months behind on the trends, so that's fine. Dalton got this fun long sleeve t-shirt. Mushrooms, butterflies, pure joy. And then also this t-shirt, which I love too. I'm so glad you got this because I wanted this one too, but then I was like, I don't know.
Fun fact, I've already stolen it from his closet.
It's got this cat goat demon creature. The sun. I'm really hoping we make it to the museum. We're 5 minutes away. I'm so excited. It's called the Museum of Dream Space in Beverly Hills.
That's where I wanna be.
Hotel now. Today was really fun.
Restart.
Okay. Hey guys, we're back at the hotel now. Today was a lot of fun, I thought. This whole week's been a lot of fun. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. That's all for this week's LA vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to stay tuned for next week's video where I show you guys all the fun restaurants that we tried. I picked a bunch of restaurants that I saw on TikTok. We went to a French restaurant where they made the pasta on a big cheese wheel in front of us. We tried those fluffy Japanese pancakes. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you next week. Bye, pals. Thanks for 100 subscribers.